Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're going to take a quick peek at Rollercoin. We're going to be looking at that payment proof I promised you in the last video, and we're also going to be doing another withdrawal. So keep watching. Hi and welcome to another video, and if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so let's get straight on to the video. So here we are in my Rollercoin account. What can I tell you quickly about Rollercoin for those of you that don't know? Rollercoin is simply a multi-coin virtual mining program, but unlike a lot of programs, you don't just have to invest to get this program up and running. No, what you can do is you can go into the game section, play some mini arcade games, build up some power, and then start earning coins straight away. For those of you that do not really know about Rollercoin but you are interested in getting into it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link to a previous video in the description. For YT viewers, I'm going to put that link at the top here, and also for YT viewers, if you go right to the end of the video, there will be a link there that you can just click straight on and watch that earlier video as well. Also in that video it will introduce you to the mobile app as well. Okay, so let's get on with it. So as I said in the intro, we are looking at the payment proof today, and we are going to do another withdrawal. So as you can see here, the big news Rollercoin is telling us is that as I've just said, it is a multi-coin virtual mining site. So basically we have BTC or Satoshis, we have Doge, and we have Ethereum. We also have RLT, which is Rollercoin's own in-game currency, which allows you to buy these gold miners should you purchase it. I personally say I do recommend, and I've said many times in the last few videos, if you can get yourself some RLT and get the gold miners, you are going to benefit a lot more from those, because they are just more efficient and basically they are more powerful, so therefore you are earning more coins for basically the amount of machines you have. And also as well, because obviously if one of these, as that is 15 terahashes, so that basically two of those is 30 terahashes, so that's 120 30, 60, yeah, 120 terahashes. Sorry, I had to get make sure my brain was working right there. So that's 120 terahashes on one rack. So you think if you can do that, you are going to save space as well, because you basically have to keep purchasing racks to put more miners on, and then once you fill this room up, you then have to go in and open or purchase the key to open up the new room. So if you can, so basically, obviously, by doing the gold miners, having to buy the key and go open up the new room is going to take longer. So that means the money you're earning can go towards just you withdrawing it, as opposed to spending it to open up that new room. So and there's lots of other reasons why those gold miners are a lot better, but I do go into that more in that previous video, so make sure you do check that out. Okay, so the first thing what we're going to do today is we are going to go and do a withdrawal. So as I said, it is a multi-coin virtual mining site, and we're going to do a Doge withdrawal, basically because obviously at the end of the day, we've put in place an Ethereum withdrawal, and now we want to check out the Doge withdrawal just to make sure all these sort of parts of the program are working. Okay, so if we click withdraw, we're going to do the maximum amount. So I need to just input address. Okay, so I've inputted the address. We're going to put in the maximum amount. So is there any way we can actually click on anything to just bang that straight in there? No. Okay, so we are excuse me. Yeah. Okay, so what we're looking at is 389. Actually, let's just round it up to a round number, 380. I remember doing this last time and it was a bit weird, and it wouldn't accept sort of not round numbers. Anyway, so we'll click confirm. So basically, as you can see there, we'll have a confirmation sent to our email address, and the best way to do this is actually stay logged into your account, then go to your email address, click on the confirmation, and then allow it to sort of log back in to your account through that email, and then just simply close the other tab. So let's go and do that. So we close this, we pause the video. Okay, so this is the withdrawal confirmation, as you can see, and then just basically click this confirm withdrawal. So you just click that, and then this will log you back into your account, and there you go, request accepted, your process within 1 business day. So, and then just close the previous tab and also log out of your email. So the reason why I do it that way is because in the past, when I've tried logging out of my Rollercoin account and then going to do the email confirmation after, it tries to log you in anyway, and sometimes it just doesn't get accepted if you log in after you've clicked on the link. So if you just remain logged in, and then it will just basically go through without any problems every single time. Okay, so that is the Dogecoin withdrawal done. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to go and show you the payment proof for the Ethereum. Okay, so if we just click on wallet, and then we click on Ethereum and history. So as you can see there, this is the withdrawal that I put into place. That was on the 16th of May 2020. And if you just look over to the left of your screen, there is a photo of my wallet, which shows the withdrawal was received on the 17th of May 2020 at 18:15, so that's 6:15 in the afternoon. And as you can see there, basically the amount of coins is exactly the same as here. There, so that basically just goes to show that the Ethereum withdrawals are working, which is absolutely brilliant. And basically I will give you an update or show the payment proof for the Doge withdrawal in the next video that I do. Okay, so do remember that if you want to get involved in this program, go and check out that previous video. In fact, if you are interested in that previous video, it's probably on your screen right now. So thanks a lot for viewing. If you could smash that like button, it really supports my channel, which helps me out and then just motivates me to bring more content to you guys. So take care, have a great week, and I will speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.